I got this new abrasive set in. It's a 60-piece, 2-inch quick changing sanding disc set with 1/4-inch holder. This guy has lots and lots of stuff inside of it. It's got all kinds of sanding pads. This is for like I use it for getting gaskets off of aluminum heads. It's got your discs for getting your adhesive off of painted surfaces, and it doesn't harm the paint. I really like these. These work great. All kinds of sandpaper. We got 60 grit all the way up to 240. See some 60s, some 180, some 120. You got your arbor. This is what we're going to put on the tool, so it does come with what you need to attach these discs and use them. Lots of discs here, guys, so plenty of different grits, lots of papers. Are going to get a lot of jobs done. This is exactly what I need inside of my toolbox because I'm constantly cleaning stuff up. All right, let's go ahead and put the arbor together. It does come with 2 different styles. So you got the smooth shaft style, which is for the die grinder that I'm using, and it does come with this hex style, which will fit inside of a drill. So you can take your pick. Comes with both. Let's get this guy attached here real quick. All right, goes together really nice and easy. Let's go ahead and use some sandpaper, and we'll do a little bit of sanding with this guy, just make sure it works well. It says what all the grits are on the back, so you're not gonna get them mixed up. This guy just twists right on. Air pressure. Perfect. Ooh, sands nice and well. Great job. Really good set, check it out. Click on the link below, pick one up. It's gonna handle all your sanding needs. Thanks for watching.